is Renan G. Marmadillo. Our topic is what is International Association of Marine Age to Navigation and Lighthouse Authorities IALA Voyage System. Okay, the IALA International Association of Marine Age to Navigation and Lighthouse Authorities Voyage System is a globally standardized system used to provide navigation aids to ships. It uses a variety of buoy and beacon colors, shapes, and lights to guide mariners through channels, mark hazards, and indicate safe water. Essentially, it's a set of rules that uses visual and lighting cues to help ships navigate safely. It is primarily known for the IALA Maritime Voyage System or Sea-Mark systems that are used in the pilotage of vessels at sea. Lateral marks indicate the edge of channel. Cardinal marks indicates the direction of safe water at a dangerous spot.
Okay, sir. I'm John Jenner Pitos Crowell from J12I-1. And this is number 2, sir. Region of IALA to ensure safety in navigation. The IALA International Association of Marine Aids and Navigation to Navigations and Lighthouse Authority Voyage System is a globally recognized standard for making waterways and ensuring safety navigation. It divides the world into two regions, IALA Region A and IALA Region B, each with its own specific voyage rules for identifying channel edge hazards and other navigational figure. IALA Voyage System regions. IALA Region A used in Europe, Africa, Asia, and Australia. IALA Region B used in the United States, Canada, and other regions. Region A Europe, Africa, and most of Asia. Uses and buoys for port of green for starboard where when entering harbor, while Region B Africans, Japan, and others.